Hi, my name is Greg Thomas. I'm with Champion Park Advisors. Let me save you from a very expensive misunderstanding. There's been a lot of misinformation on social media about trust. If you've been on social media lately, you've probably heard someone say, just put everything in a living trust and your assets are protected. That's simply not true. A revocable living trust, a revocable trust and a living trust, first of all, are the same thing. So a revocable living trust is an excellent estate planning tool, but it's not asset protection. So those are two completely different things. And here's why. In a standard living trust, you're typically the creator, the trustee, and the beneficiary. You can change it, you can amend it, or you can dissolve it whenever you want. So because you maintain complete control of the assets, the law still views those assets as yours. So there's no asset protection there, which means if a creditor, plaintiff, or a lawsuit comes after you, those assets may still be reachable. Okay. So the primary purpose of a living trust is probate avoidance. Okay. So what that means is the transferability of assets after you die. It helps your family avoid public expensive probate process when you pass away. So that is important, but probate avoidance and asset protection are not the same thing. Okay. So these revocable trusts have been promoted as being asset protection. Real asset protection starts where traditional asset planning ends. So asset protection is about creating legal separation between you and your wealth before a problem occurs, not after, but before. And that's why sophisticated families, business owners, physicians, and real estate investors and high net worth individuals as well often utilize advanced structures involving irrevocable trust holding companies, entity layering, and strategic wealth architecture. So the goal isn't to hide your assets, but the goal is to legally position them so they're better insulated from lawsuits, business liabilities, creditor claims, and unforeseen risks. Okay. So if you really want to be insulated, you want to go with asset protection. At Champion Park Advisors, we help clients understand the difference. We coordinate advanced wealth protection structures that may include irrevocable trust planning, Wyoming holding company frameworks, business entity optimization, and multi-generational wealth preservation strategies. That's what we do at Champion Park Advisors. We work alongside your attorneys, your CPAs, your trustee, and advisors to help ensure that your assets are properly positioned based on their risk profile and long-term objectives. Okay. Because protecting your wealth after a lawsuit is difficult, protecting it before one occurs is what you call proper planning. Okay. So if you've accumulated significant assets, own businesses, high net worth investment properties, or you just simply want to understand whether your current structure is truly protecting you, schedule a complimentary consultation. All right. Visit our website at www.championparkadvisors.com. That's championparkadvisors.com. We also set up infinite banking structures. So becoming your own bank where you can borrow from yourself. Okay. We also set those up under asset protection structures. All right. So whether your wealth is actually protected while you're alive or not, we can help you with that. All right. Talk to you soon.